Hi, this is Sumit and I'm from Indian Institute of E-commerce. Today I'm bringing you an opportunity where you can simply get started with a plug-and-play ready-made business opportunity, and that is something which we can do even from our home. How many of us like pickles? I like pickles. I'm sure that pickle is something that we can sell online. And I'm talking about some business which we can do easily. I'm not talking about some big startup idea or a plan which requires some investor and some technical know-how. It's very, very easy to start. Let's explore how much pickles we can export or we can sell online and we can make good amount of profits so that you can get the financial freedom that you always wanted. So you don't have to do the job or you don't have to do the hard work business that you are currently doing. You can simply get into an online business, digital business, which can give you ongoing regular profits that you always wanted. So I was searching this website, Amazon.com, and I saw that 6,000 sales just in the last month happened of this particular pickle. Same if you see all different things, you're seeing 1,000 plus sales that's happening, 4,000 sales, 10,000 sales, 5,000 sales, 1,000 sales. So if you just think like if these many sales are happening every single month itself, so what is the kind of revenue these people are making in this? 15 lakh rupees worth of revenue just from sales of one single type of pickle. And this I'm showing only in Amazon, and there are so many people who are selling. So that means this is a huge market opportunity for you if you want to get into a business which can be done by home itself. So my suggestion is why not get into a business where you can simply get started and quickly explore this business in the global market. Now, same if you see this Singapore's website, Lazada, here also you see so many sales are there for pickles. Same way for Japan's Rakuten and Dubai's Noon. Everywhere, pickle is something which can be always be sold. So here I'm bringing for you an online plug-and-play e-commerce business opportunity of pickles, jams, and ketchups, which has got a great global demand. You can do this business in B2B, you can do B2C, you can do B2G, but I'm mainly concerned for making a wholesale transaction by doing B2B business. So you don't have to keep any inventory, nothing. You just simply get an e-commerce store from me and you will be able to export and make one-shot profits in this. I'll be giving you the entire training and support on how you can get started. In a year's time, you can make great amount of profit. 10-15 lakh rupees is something which is easy to do. But here, as you see, that this particular business generates good amount of profits every single month itself. So you can get the e-commerce store builder plus the coaching and mentorship support plus for this particular niche of pickles. I'll also guide you how to find the credible suppliers and also the buyers who can buy from you. So this entire plug and play model will be with you. So you can simply get started with this ready-made plug and play business. Now, what are you going to get from me? As I told that this is a complete program. This will give you guaranteed e-commerce sales. So I'm giving you 17 certificates bundle, which is inclusive in the same program. The value of these certifications itself are about 7.5 lakh rupees, but I'm not charging this much amount. I'm just giving you everything as part of the same program. So you're getting these certifications, which is government supported and registered certification. You're going to get the live online practical training, and you're also going to get complete access of the content for lifetime with access, update, and support forever. So you get access of ebooks, white papers, case studies, infographics, and many more different formats of content so that you can study them on your own pace and you can even go through them 24/7. You can get the certifications from IIC and you can complete the entire training with all the support that you'll be getting from IIC's mentors. IIC is fully registered institute with AICT approval and other certifications as given here in the affiliations page. These are some of the past works that we have done, and this is my designation and the work that I have done. These are other IIC mentors detail. So back to the important thing, the store builder itself. I will be giving you a ready-made plug-and-play store builder where you can simply install all these software tools so you can do the digital marketing, you can do the analytics, you can do everything. You can also think of the themes and designs that you want, and you can customize this website and make completely yours. You can upload all the products that you want that are related to pickles, jams, and ketchups and build this completely ready e-commerce store. Even the analytics tool is integrated. In my case, how much sales I'm able to get, how much is my per day revenue. You can see everything is in front of you. So same way when you can build your e-commerce business of pickles, jams, and ketchup, everything from a plug and play e-commerce store. And as you can see that in the global market, there's a huge potential. I will be supporting you to build this business. So when people say that there is no opportunities, there are no jobs, why you have to worry for that? You can actually start your own e-commerce business today and build a successful career with IIC. And in the next 2 to 3 years, you can make great profits. And it's non-technical. You don't have to have any technical knowledge for this. Simply get started. Many people are successful. Even I have got my success. I have already shown you my store builder where it's live that I'm already doing it. About 8,000 plus products are already there in this. And I'm going to give you this store builder where you can run it as a single person business. So in a very simple way, you can get started with this ready-made plug-and-play e-commerce business, and this hardly cost any amount of money. You can simply invest this money because this is for you, only for your profits. And with the time, the business value will also increase. You can make at least a crore rupees of what you're investing in this. It's a risk if you feel it is a risk, but it will going to give you a good reward because this is very small amount of risk that you're taking. Instead of investing in a real estate property where you'll be making about a crore or 2 crore rupees investment and then you'll be stuck, instead of that, you are building a business which can make about a crore or 2 crore rupees of business value for you every single year by selling some product online using your e-commerce store builder. So this is the opportunity, and I want you to be part of this journey so we can together grow in the e-commerce export of India. So join us.